Samsung has just dropped One UI 8, and trust me, this isn't just another routine update. This feels like a turning point in Samsung's software journey, with smoother animations, deeper AI integration, and smart customization options that finally catch up with, and in some areas surpass, Google and Apple. One UI 8 might be the most refined version of Samsung's interface ever. But the big question is this: is One UI 8 really worth the hype, and should you upgrade as soon as it becomes available? Let's break it down in detail. Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe to Tech Insights so that you can get notified on daily tech updates. For years, Samsung fans have had one common complaint. Even with powerful hardware, Galaxy devices sometimes felt sluggish compared to competitors like iPhones or even some Chinese flagships. Animations would stutter, widgets would freeze, and even small bugs on the lock screen could become frustrating. With One UI 8, Samsung seems to have taken that feedback seriously. This update not only polishes the experience but also fixes some of the most annoying bugs. The lock screen notification issue, where only icons would appear instead of detailed alerts, is finally gone. The clock widget time error, which made the lock screen look broken for many users, is fixed too. These may sound like small changes, but for anyone who uses their phone daily, these fixes make a huge difference in overall reliability. Performance is another area where Samsung has made noticeable progress. Benchmarks are impressive, with strong single-core and multi-core scores, but numbers only tell half the story. What truly stands out is how fluid the device feels in real use. Swiping between home screens is seamless, opening heavy apps like Spotify or Instagram is instant, and even multitasking with split screen or pop-up windows feels more natural than ever. The animations are consistent, something Samsung struggled with for years. Instead of random stutters that interrupted the experience, One UI 8 feels buttery smooth across the board. And this is exactly the kind of refinement Samsung needed to bring Galaxy software to the same league as iOS. But the most exciting part of One UI 8 is not just stability, it's intelligence. Samsung is betting big on Galaxy AI, and it shows. Features like Call Assist, Live Translate, Note Assist, and Transcript Assist are integrated directly into the core apps, which means you don't need third-party services anymore. Imagine being in a meeting, recording audio, and instantly having the Notes app create a summarized transcript for you in your preferred language. Or picture yourself browsing a long article on Samsung Internet, and with a single tap, you get an AI-powered summary that saves you time. This is not just an incremental improvement. It is Samsung quietly transforming the way people interact with their devices. One feature that deserves attention is Now Brief. It's like a smart daily dashboard that brings together everything you need in one glance. Your calendar reminders, health stats, weather updates, and even music recommendations. It feels a lot like Google's at-a-glance widget, but far more customizable. And speaking of customization, Samsung hasn't forgotten about what makes One UI unique. With good lock modules like Clock Face and Home Up, users can push personalization to another level. From thick wallpaper blurs when you open an app, to creating completely custom clock designs for the lock screen, One UI 8 still gives you freedom that most smartphone brands don't. The security updates are another plus. This release comes with the September 2025 patch, ensuring your device is safe from the latest vulnerabilities. While the Google Play system update is still stuck at July for now, Samsung's monthly patch rollout shows they are keeping up with Android's evolving security standards. This matters because as Samsung introduces more AI-driven features, the need for strong protection is greater than ever. Cameras have also seen subtle but meaningful improvements. Switching between lenses feels faster, and video recording, especially when moving from ultrawide to telephoto, is more responsive. It's not a massive leap in camera performance, but combined with AI enhancements like Photo Assist, Audio Eraser, and Transcript Assist for videos, the camera software feels more professional and versatile. Even the Gallery app benefits from smarter editing tools, making it easier to clean up unwanted sounds in videos or generate AI-driven ambient wallpapers. What stands out the most to me about One UI 8 is how cohesive everything feels. In the past, Samsung's software sometimes felt like a collection of random features thrown together. Now, with Galaxy AI powering everything from calls to browsing, and smooth performance tying it all together, the software finally feels mature, and perhaps for the first time, Samsung's One UI can genuinely compete with Apple's iOS in terms of polish, while still offering the flexibility and customization that Android users love. Looking ahead, Samsung is expected to push the stable release of One UI 8 to Galaxy S25 devices in September, with older flagships like the S24 and S23 series expected to receive it shortly after. If you're already enrolled in the beta program, you're experiencing what feels like a near-final build. If not, the wait won't be long. And when it does arrive, it's safe to say that One UI 8 won't just be another upgrade. It's going to redefine how Galaxy devices work in your daily life. Overall, One UI 8 is not perfect, but it's easily the most exciting Samsung software release in years. With improved smoothness, better stability, AI integration that actually saves time, and powerful customization, this is the update Galaxy fans have been waiting for. If Samsung keeps this pace, One UI might finally shake off the reputation of being heavy and inconsistent, and instead be seen as the most advanced and personal Android experience available today. So, is One UI 8 worth upgrading to? Absolutely yes. Whether you're someone who values performance, customization, or productivity features, this update has something for everyone. It marks Samsung's strongest step yet in combining artificial intelligence with user-focused design, and for once, it feels like Samsung is not just catching up, but leading.